to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Pixar Halloween box. This is no mystery as to what's in here, and then also I received my Diamond Evil Queen, my Diamond Stitch, and my first ever soda can. So let's see if I got the chase, if I can get into it. Right. So I've got the Gene Simmons The Demon soda can. I don't know how to open these. Oh, okay. So just pull the lid off. In a mystery bag. Oh, don't look at the bottom because that tells you whether you got the chase or not. So I believe this is just a common, but it's so cool. So my first soda can. I just need to get the Paul Stanley one as well. So yeah, this the common one. Gene Simmons. Very top heavy. How on earth do you make him stand up? I'll try that later. So moving on to the Pixar Halloween box. So when you open it inside, you've got a Boo pin. Take it out. Very nice. Oh, upside down. So a Boo pin. That is very cute. A t-shirt. I ordered mine in a medium. I believe this is what I've got. I know quite a few people got sent different sizes to what they ordered, but I believe this is medium. Very nice t-shirt. Very cool. Bit late for Halloween, but still very nice. You get a Woody sticker. And your two pops are the Woody and Sully Halloween ones. So let's have a look. That's all there is in the box. I really like these pops, like Halloween and the not Halloween. Very nice pops. Just take them out and have a look. So Woody's already on his stand, which is handy. Wrapped in the shoelaces. Kind of like a mummy. See if I can stand him up so he can stay on. And the Sully. So it's just Count Sully or something. But that's another cool one as well. So the two pops. Oh, I like that. I've just noticed. Then if it will come up close on camera, it says Bonnie on Woody's shoe. So Woody and Sully, the pin and the Woody sticker, the t-shirt. All of that in that Pixar Halloween box, very nice. They have also just released a Disney Christmas box, which you get Pluto and Mickey, I believe, some pins and everything else. And then I also got my Gene Simmons soda can. Got to try and make this stand up somehow. I'm sure there's a way. Thanks for watching.